the Play-doh bulk handout. 42-pack of 1-ounce modeling compound is a versatile and engaging product suitable for toddlers and kids alike. This set includes 42 1-ounce cans of Play-doh brand modeling compound in a variety of vibrant colors, including assorted colors: blue, neon green, neon orange, pink, purple, red, and teal. One of the standout features of this product is its non-toxic composition, ensuring a safe and worry-free play experience for children. The Play-doh compound is made of dough material, making it easy to mold and shape for endless creative possibilities. This product not only provides entertainment, but also serves educational purposes by promoting shape recognition, imaginative skills, creative expression, texture recognition, color recognition, and sensory play. Through hands-on play with Play-doh, children can enhance their motor skills, creativity, and sensory development. Overall, the Play-doh bulk handout 42-pack of 1-ounce modeling compound is a fantastic